Hi, welcome to Kids at AbbVie Day. This is the day where we get to bring all of our kids into work, spend the day with us and find out some of the amazing things we do. Have fun!
Activity that's all about how AbbVie help people. So far we've been teaching them about parts of the body that we have medicines for, and we're doing some find the word stuff with some of our really complicated disease names, and then we're going to talk a bit about World Psoriasis Day in a little while.
The kids also get some time to enjoy themselves, but we also have a session where they get to give back. We've got some stationery packs being donated to the Salvation Army, and the older kids made some bikes which will go to Bernardo's.
Yeah, we just built it.
Was that difficult?
Yeah, it was really hard, like the instructions and all the cables and all that.
And what are you doing today?
Doing Kids at AbbVie Day.
And what are you doing right now?
Doing the bikes, and then we're going to go to the cupcake.
Fun. Are you learning stuff?
Yeah, and I'm going to make one for my mum.
Popcorn, slushies, face paint, photo booth. Just a normal day at the office, really.
We did the bubbles, how do AbbVie people help people, and cupcakes, and the carnival.